Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your spreadsheets do more, whether that's automating tasks, connecting to other apps, or adding cool new features, then today's video is for you. I'll walk you through exactly how to get and manage add-ons in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily install helpful extensions, start using them, and even remove them if you need a fresh start. Alright, let's dive right in. So the world of Google Sheets add-ons is a bit like walking into a digital tool store. There are endless options to level up your spreadsheets, but it all starts in the right place. First, make sure your Google Sheet is open and look up at the very top of the page. There you'll see a menu called Extensions. Go ahead and click on that. From here, hover your mouse over Add-ons. You'll see a couple of options slide out to the right. Click on Get Add-ons. This is your gateway to discovering new extensions. Now at this point, you'll land in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Think of this as the App Store, but specifically for Google tools. There's a search bar right at the top. Type in the name of the app or function you'd like to add. For example, if you want something to help with mail merges or visualizing your data, just type that in. As the results come up, you can browse what's available. Each add-on usually has a short description and reviews, so take a moment to scan through those if you're not sure which to choose. Found the one you want? Click on it, hit Install, and grant the necessary permissions. Don't worry if you're prompted to log in or review what access it will have. That's normal. These permissions simply allow the add-on to work with your spreadsheet, but always feel free to pause and read through them if you're unsure. Once it's installed, you might be wondering, how do I start using it? Great question. You'll go back to that same Extensions menu at the top of your sheet. Now you should see the new add-on listed there. Just click on its name and then follow any on-screen instructions. Some add-ons will open a sidebar, while others might give you a pop-up or a new menu to interact with. If you're trying it for the first time, I recommend taking it slow and exploring the options. Sometimes you'll discover extra features you didn't expect. Now, what if you've experimented with a few add-ons and your menu's starting to look a little cluttered, or maybe you want to remove something you don't use anymore? Cleaning up is super simple. Once again, head up to Extensions, then Add-ons, but instead of choosing Get Add-ons, now click Manage Add-ons. Here you'll see a neat overview of everything you've installed. If you want to remove one, find it in the list. You can either click on the app itself, or if you look at the app's name, you'll notice three little dots next to it. Click those dots and choose Uninstall. It might take a second, but after that, the add-on is gone, easy as that. And that's really all there is to it. Don't worry if any step feels unfamiliar at first. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions about using add-ons in Google Sheets. I love helping out. And of course, be sure to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.